in this case we use the cross system walking on the open side of the embrace, that is this side. But the cross system is the way that we are going to walk on the closed side of the embrace. And in that case, cross system is very useful because allows us to stay close, not to have to open the embrace. And the idea is this: we need only 3 tracks for our feet. If we went in parallel system, we need 4 tracks. 1, 2, 3, 4 when I am on this side. But in cross system, in this case, when I am on the close side of the embrace, our left feet will share the same track. So we can use the backward 8, same idea to get into the close side of the embrace. Now I will place her on my left side because that's where she will be. With the first half backward 8. With the second half backward 8, I step more straight. And here now I have my left and her left sharing the same track. Exit, the backward 8 and close. Now see, with the first half backward 8, I place my partner on my left side. And I will keep her on that side. See that I am with the center of my chest now to the left side of the follower. I change. If I were on the open side of the embrace, will be the opposite. Here I change. And then the exit, we closing with the backward 8. It may be tricky in the beginning because it's not usual, but in tango this side is very important. It opens the door to many possibilities. If not, we are stuck always on the close side of the embrace. And we miss 33% of the possibilities because we don't get into that side. And that side, mainly cross system. That's a way to work on that side, on the close side of the embrace. One more time. After the first half backward 8, leave your partner there. And then we close like after the backward 8. Okay? Let's try.